the highest amount of cashew nuts? A. Maharashtra, B. Kerala, C. Orissa. Correct answer is A. Maharashtra. When did Prime Minister Modi announce demonetization? A. The 8th of November 2016, B. The 1st of January 2016, C. The 30th of June 2017. Correct answer is A. 8 November 2016. What is the main source of income for Indian Railways? A. Passenger fare, B. Freight charges, C. Railway advertise. Correct answer is B. Freight charges. Which country receives the most rainfall in the world? A. India, B. Brazil, C. Colombia. Correct answer is C. Colombia. Which animal has the strongest bones? A. Elephant, B. Lion, C. Crocodile. Correct answer is C. Crocodile. Which animal sleeps the most? A. Dog, B. Bat, C. Bear. Correct answer is B. Bat. In which country can black roses be found? A. India, B. Turkey, C. Japan. Correct answer is B. Turkey. Which city is known as the Pink City? A. Jaipur, B. Udaipur, C. Jodhpur. Correct answer is A. Jaipur. Who sold the Red Fort? A. Tipu Sultan, B. Bahadur Shah, C. A. British officer. Correct answer is C. A. British officer. Where did India's first metro train run? A. Delhi, B. Kolkata, C. Mumbai. Correct answer is B. Kolkata. Which city is known as the Lychee City? A. Patna, B. Dehradun, C. Muzaffarpur. Correct answer is C. Muzaffarpur. Who was the Prime Minister of India during the Kargil War? A. Manmohan Singh, B. Atal Bihari Vajpayee, C. Narsimha Rao. Correct answer is B. Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Who has the power to pardon the death penalty in India? A. Prime Minister, B. President, C. Supreme Court. Correct answer is B. President. Which animal sleeps with its eyes open? A. Dolphin, B. Horse, C. Python. Correct answer is A. Dolphin. To whom does the President of India submit his resignation? A. Prime Minister, B. Chief Justice, C. Vice President. Correct answer is C. Vice President. Which animal is called the ship of the desert? A. Camel, B. Horse, C. Elephant. Correct answer is A. Camel. Where is the Indian Institute of Petroleum located? A. Mumbai, B. Dehradun, C. Delhi. Correct answer is B. Dehradun. How many states are there in India currently? A. 28, B. 29, C. 30. Correct answer is A. 28. Where was the national anthem, Jana Gana Mana, sung for the first time? A. Delhi, B. Kolkata, C. Mumbai. Correct answer is B. Kolkata. Which animal has a hump on its back? A. Elephant, B. Camel, C. Horse. Correct answer is B. Camel.